Alright everyone, how are we doing? We're back with week 14 of GoMining solo mining, of course. So last week on my other weekly update video, I realized I got it wrong because I forgot that I had added this miner from my other account. So my original investment is actually almost doubled. It's about $3,000 or so more, 3,300 or so. I will make another video with an actual correct updated number. For the longest time, completely forgot about, because if not, my daily reward would be literally cut in half because I'd only have about 115 terahash rather than 215 terahash. So because, you know, the Bitcoin price has been fumbling and tumbling, we are sitting at about $5.55 as the average. I saw these two numbers, so that's what I'm going to say is the average at the moment. It was about $6. Boo-hoo. We're down 45 cents. I don't give a fuck. And this video is 2 weeks late, so week 15 is going to be the exact same total rewards, which our total rewards at the moment in Bitcoin is 0.0282303 Bitcoin. It says it's about $3,206.70, but we are going to see what the actual conversion is. I realize I put a 0 instead of an O, but oh well. Not too bad. So it's actually off by $3.03. We're actually up a little bit. But you know, the past few days, Bitcoin is it's dropped down. It's no longer raging up in the 118,000. It's now in the 113,000. But that's okay. It is what it is. It's still above 100,000 Bitcoin. That's still fucking crazy. I think my average DCA cost is like 45,000 Canadian. Don't know what that is to US. Probably a lot less. But anywho, for the 22nd to the 28th of July, we managed to mine 0.0003186 Bitcoin. So that seems like it's the usual number, around 0.003. Triple naught means 3 zeros. So, you know, like one note is in 1 0. So yes, the weekly reward seems to be 0.0003 whatever. Usually it's like 3.332. It's around 3.2 right now. Not bad. So because it's declining at the moment, I'm going to take a guess. This is like, $35, $34. 36. Not too shabby of a guess. For a week of mining, $36. Fucking sweet, man. And in an hour and 52 minutes, I am fucking retarded. In an hour and 56 minutes and 40 seconds, I normally am good with numbers. Actually, that's a lie. I can't say that from the last video. I got that severely fucked up. I don't know how I read that wrong. So yeah, well, I was going to say, is it about an hour and 56 minutes and 30 seconds? I'm going to be able to click the service button again. Going to keep my discount. You already know how it is. We're sitting at 2 miners, technically 3 with this bonus miner if you know how to use it when the tasks are available, with a nice 215 terahash, you know, 20 watts per terahash, a 6.4% discount because I continuously getting back and pressing this button. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to make that one next. We'll have a good one, guys. See you soon.
Yeah, that's the brand. Watch what you say in the chat or get banned. Holding on tight, yeah, I got diamond hands. Didn't want to miss out, so I FOMO'd again. Said I wouldn't do it, but I got put in.